Welcome back. Okay, so we're going to be writing equations in slope-intercept form. Just as a reminder, slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept of the line, or the y-coordinate of the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. Right, so if we can identify the y-intercept and can identify the slope, we can write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Let's do a few problems together. Alright, so here we're going to write the equation for this line. Right, our y-intercept is where we cross the y-axis. That would be right here. Right there. Right, so that would be the point 0, negative 1. So b in our equation, y equals mx plus b, is negative 1. Our slope I have actually on there. This would be the rise. And this is the run. Right, we read lines left to right. Okay, so we read lines this way. Just like you'd read words in a book, right? Read lines left to right. So notice our line, as we look at it, going left is going down 4. So this should be a negative. And then it goes 2 to the right. Right, so it goes down 4 and 2 to the right. Right, so this is our rise. That's our run. We can reduce that to negative 2. So the slope for our line is negative 2, which means the equation is y equals negative 2x minus 1. And hopefully this is all review for you. And there we go. We're done with problem number 1. Let's do problem number 2. Right, so here we want to identify our y-intercept. Right, it's really clear to see what it is. You can see our graph is definitely crossing right there. So that would be the point 0, 3. Right, so our y-intercept is 0, 3, which means b is 3. Right, so now we need to identify any 2 points on the line. We already have one identified. Let's use this one. Right, so our line, remember we read left to right, so our line is going up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's positive 4. And then to the right 2. Right, so the rise is 4. And the run is 2, which reduces to 2. Almost the same as the last problem, except this time it's positive. So that means our equation is going to be y equals 2x plus 3. I think I have 1 or 2 more. One of these is in your notes. I think it might have been this one. Right, but it's this one or this one. I don't remember which one. All right, so now let's take a look at this one. So I have only one more. Our y-intercept is right here. That's the point 0, 1. So b is 1. Let's find our slope. These would be this point and this point right here. That would be a good point to use, the x and y-intercept. So this is 0, 1. Our x-intercept is 3, 0. All right, so our line is going down. Now be careful. Well, we could say it's going down 2. We could count each box as long as we do the same thing when we're finding the run. But really, 2 boxes is actually only worth 1. So it's going down 1. And it's going to the right 1, 2, 3. If you had said down 2 and to the right 6, you'd still get the same answer because it would still reduce to negative 1/3. Right? So m is negative 1/3, b is 1, which means the equation for our line is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1. Right? If you have any questions, let me know. Now I have 2 questions for you to answer. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.